I'm getting a bit worried now. There's somebody outside my house. And they keep banging my door. And it's starting to scare me. I don't know what to do. Fuck. Shit. I don't know who it is. I don't want to get it. I don't know who it is. They ain't even speaking to me. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if I should open the door or not. Fucking hell. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Fucking Jesus. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to open it or not. I don't know who it is. I can't see who it is. Fuck. Okay, I plugged up the cupboard. And I think I'm going to open the door. I think I'm going to do it. Whoever you are, get away from my door. I will slice you like a pizza. Fucking hell, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Fucking scary. It's just fucking scary. Fucking scary. Fucking motherfucker. What the... It's just one of my fans. Fucking hell.